Union Forest Minister Prakash Javadekar launches Urban Forest Program on World Environment Day today. COVID-19 spike in India continues. India stands 7th among the coronavirus affected countries. "38 new COVID-19 positive cases in Assam today, 39 discharged. Government starts sending 500 rupees to women account holders of Pradhan Mantri Jan Dhan Yojana for the month of June. And Assam governor launches plantation drive in Chirang on World Environment Day today. Good evening viewers, welcome to the Northeast News Bulletin. This is Manjui. Now with the details. Union Environment Minister Prakash Javadekar launched the Urban Forest Program on the occasion of World Environment Day today. World Environment Day is the biggest annual event in the world by the United Nations to mark the awareness among the environment amongst people. The main aim is to raise awareness to protect nature and look at various environment issues. The theme for this year's Environment Day is biodiversity. Speaking in the virtual celebration hosted by the Ministry of Environment, Forest and Climate Change, Mr. Javadekar, the Environment, Forest and Climate Change Minister, said, despite all constraints, the country has managed to preserve around 8% of the world's biodiversity through its rich culture of worshipping and nurturing every aspect of Mother Nature. He said, the country believes in the principle of Prithvi Rakshati Rakshata, which means Mother Nature protects those who protect her. As per the latest update, India stands 7th among the nations worst hit by the COVID-19 pandemic in the world. Central government today said that the recovery rate reached to 48.27% in the country and the total number of recovered people from coronavirus reached to 1,09,462. During the last 24 hours, 5,355 people have been cured. The Health and Family Welfare Ministry said 9,851 new cases of COVID-19 have been reported in the last 24 hours, taking the total number of cases of 2,26,770 in the country. This is the highest spike in new cases in one day since the outbreak of the corona pandemic in India. During the last 24 hours, 273 deaths have been registered, taking the nationwide toll to 6,348. The fatality rate is 2.80%. The states of northeastern region have witnessed spurt of COVID-19 positive cases in the last 1 week. In Tripura, 25 new COVID-19 positive cases have been detected in the last 24 hours, making the total positive cases in the state to 647. In Nagaland, with 14 more COVID-19 positive cases today, the total number of cases in the state has risen to 94. The Health Department of Sikkim confirmed the state's third COVID-19 positive case. In Meghalaya, with 2 more returnees to the state tested COVID-19 positive, the count rises to 33. In Mizoram, 5 more people have tested positive in last 24 hours, taking the total number of positive cases to 21 in the state. In Arunachal Pradesh, the total number of COVID-19 positive cases has gone up to 42. In Manipur, the number of coronavirus infected cases has gone up to 124. Assam has recorded a total of 38 new COVID-19 positive cases today. Assam Health and Family Welfare Minister Himanta Biswa Sharma in a tweet said, out of the 38 new COVID-19 positive cases, 13 are from Darang, 9 from Dima Hasao, 7 from Nagaon, 5 from Sonitpur and 2 each from Hailakandi and Karimganj. This takes the total COVID positive cases in the state to 2,153, out of which 1,648 are active cases. In another tweet, the minister said that 39 more patients have been discharged today after they tested negative for COVID-19 twice. Of the 39 patients discharged, 13 are from MMCH Guwahati, 11 from Tejpur Medical College Hospital, 6 from Golaghat Civil Hospital, 3 from Assam College Medical Hospital and 1 from Silchar Medical Hospital. The COVID-19 death toll in the state still stands at 4. Report just received says 111 new COVID cases increased in the state and it tallies to 1,988. Coronavirus is continuing its spread across the world with over 67 lakh confirmed cases. More than 3,93,000 people have lost their lives in the COVID-19 pandemic. The US so far has the largest number of COVID-19 positive cases, according to the Johns Hopkins University. The US has highest number of COVID-19 fatalities with more than 1 lakh death. Meanwhile, Brazil and Russia have witnessed part of COVID-19 cases and emerged as the new coronavirus hotspots. The coronavirus is affecting 213 countries and territories around the world. Government will start sending the amount of 500 rupees to the women account holders of Pradhan Mantri Jan Dhan Yojana PMJDY for the month of June from today. The amount is the third installment under Pradhan Mantri Garib Kalyan package. The Department of Financial Services said beneficiaries can withdraw the amount on any day after 10th June. The Department of Financial Services said the amount will be sent as per timetable based on the last digit of the beneficiary's account number. Meghalaya state government yesterday decided to restart border trade activities from June 8 this year. Addressing media persons on Wednesday, Deputy Chief Minister Preston Tinsong informed that government has decided to resume all border trade activities with neighboring country Bangladesh in terms of import and export. However, Tinsong ruled out the idea of opening border huts. The rich biodiversity and protective green cover of BTAD area had seriously dwindled, and Honorable Governor Assam, acceding to the demands of the various environmental enthusiasts, has taken up a massive program of plantation across the 4 BTAD districts in a time-bound manner called Haryali. This program is also aimed at generating in BTAD. Governor Assam Professor Jagdish Mukhi, highlighting this, and planted saplings and ceremoniously inaugurated Haryali on World Environment Day at Chirang today. Governor Assam launched the project Haryali at headquarters of 15 Battalion SSB Kajalgaon Chirang district with a block plantation of 1,500 saplings by SSB Jawans. Together, about 1 lakh saplings have been planted by various agencies across 4 BTC districts by various residents, institutions and government agencies. Assam Chief Minister Sarbananda Sonowal today, while inaugurating the World Environment Day celebration programs at Rani Reserve Forest near Guwahati, said the state government will plant about 1 crore and 50 lakh saplings in the state in the current year. Sonowal appealed to all sections of people of the state to take care for protection of state's rich biodiversity. State Education Minister Dr. Himanta Biswa Sharma on Friday said that HSLC candidates will not be allowed to go to the schools to obtain their Class 10 results, which will be declared on Saturday, June 6. The minister, while inaugurating a cancer care facility at the Assam Medical College and Hospital, said the HSLC results will be out tomorrow. However, no students will be allowed to go to the schools to obtain their results due to COVID-19 protocols. Students will get their results in their mobile phones. No procession or gathering will be allowed with the rank holders. This year, around 3.8 lakh students have appeared for the HSLC examination. The students can visit the official website to check and download their results. Today is World Environment Day. Amid COVID-19 pandemic situation, this year's celebration in northeastern states has been a low-key affair. Sikkim's Forest and Environment Department today celebrated World Environment Day at Raj Bhavan, Gangtok. This year's theme was Himalayan Biodiversity. Governor Ganga Prasad and Chief Minister P.S. Tamang planted saplings on the occasion. State cabinet ministers and secretaries also participated in the plantation drive. Mr. Prasad and Mr. Tamang also launched an awareness campaign on the benefits of Tinospora cordifolia plant. Mr. Prasad urged people to grow plants for medicinal benefits, including air purification.
पर्यावरण दिवस मैंने आज जो इस प्रकार के प्रदूषण फैल गया है जिसके चलते पूरा संसार परेशान है और इसीलिए
In Manipur, Chief Minister N. Biren Singh led others in tree plantation at Samadhi of Maharaj Gambhir Singh, Bir Tikendrajit Park and Rani Gaidinli Park today. Speaking on the occasion, Chief Minister said that the essence of celebrating World Environment Day is to save human lives by protecting and preserving the environment. He maintained that natural disasters, global warming, climate change, etc. are the consequences of the destruction of nature. Humans need nature for survival and nature doesn't need us, he added. Arunachal Pradesh Governor Brigadier Dr. B.D. Mishra and First Lady of the state, Srimati Neelam Mishra, participated in the plantation program at Raj Bhavan, Itanagar on the occasion of World Environment Day on 5th June 2020. Speaking on the occasion, the governor called upon the people of the state to benevolently pledge and commit themselves to protect and sustain the pristine environment of Arunachal Pradesh. The governor exhorted the people, particularly youth and students, to preserve the treasured nature's gift in the state and at the same time assist in the process of development. He advised all to protect the flora and fauna, keep the rivers clean and dispose of the garbage in an appropriate manner. On the occasion of World Environment Day, Tripura Chief Minister Biplab Kumar Deb has urged people of his state to do more plantation to save the earth. He also hailed the Northeast India for keeping the region pollution free. After attending a plantation program today at State Civil Secretariat premises, the Chief Minister said Northeast is pollution free and it was possible due to the existing greenery of the area. To end the news, the headlines once again. Union Forest Minister Prakash Javadekar launches Urban Forest Program on World Environment Day today. COVID-19 spike in India continues. India stands 7th among the coronavirus affected countries. "38 new COVID-19 positive cases in Assam today, 39 discharged. Government starts sending 500 rupees to women account holders of Pradhan Mantri Jan Dhan Yojana for the month of June. An Assam governor launches plantation drive in Chirang on World Environment Day today. And that brings us to the end of this evening's bulletin. Thank you for tuning in. Namaskar.